Have you ever seen a strange, precariously balanced rock, either in photos online or while out hiking, and thought to yourself, how on earth is that rock still stood there when it looks like all it would take for it to fall over is a big push? Well, I'm Anna Rude, and in my research I ask a similar question. I study precariously balanced rocks around the world in earthquake-prone regions, where scientists think that rare, large earthquakes are likely to occur. And so the question I ask in my research is what size earthquake push would be needed to cause those precariously balanced rocks to fall over? Is it just a small earthquake, a medium earthquake, or is it the rare, large earthquake that would be needed to make that precariously balanced rock fall over? Please join me for my Science Break talk on the 26th of January 2021, where I'll be talking about my most recent precariously balanced rock study, where we dated those rocks to have been precariously perched in the landscape for the past 20,000 years, recording earthquakes far back into the past that we can then use to make earthquake estimates for the future with twice the certainty.